Hello everybody, how y'all doing again today? I am here with a wonderful, great build list. I call this build list the Volcano. Why? Because I am on the Threadripper first gen 8 core 16 threads 3.8 base 4.0 boost. This is the AMD Thread Ripper 1900X, and this is a monster. This coming in on a 64 gigabyte RAM, 2 terabyte hard drives with the GPU Radeon RX 570. I wanted to team it with the GTX 1660 Super or the 1660 Super Ti, but they being scalped badly, so I stuck with the RX 570, 8 gigabyte card, and you cannot complain with it. Let's get on with this build here so y'all can see what I'm talking about. Alright, I'm teaming up with the Corsair 4000D Airflow, coming in at $79.99. The Gigabye Radeon RX 570, 8 gigabyte GPU, 256-bit at GDDR5, PCIe Express 3.0, $199.99. Samsung 860 EVO, 1 terabyte, $99.99. Samsung 970 EVO Plus M.2 2280, 1 terabyte, $149.99. The GSKILL 64 gigabyte. This is a quad set for 16 gigabyte of RAM, 288 DDR4 pin at 3600 speed. Cannot go wrong with it. This is a beast. Speeds are fast. So I can't tell you to slow down. This is a kit coming in at $329.99. I'm teaming up with the Lepa Maxbron B800 and B800 watt ATX 80 plus bronze power supply. This is a good power supply. I have watched Joanne Tech Lover, when she used to work at Newegg.com. She did a review on this. Not bad power supply. This power supply is coming at $98.99. Teaming up with the Noctua NHU14S TR4 SP3 at $79.90 with the Magegee USB RGB gaming keyboard and mouse combo at $31.99. I am teaming up with AsisHorse WD 5-pack 120mm 5-volt ARGB 12 addressable LED 9-blade hydraulic bearing case fans, black, $39.99. Teaming up with the Asrock X399M Taichi STR4 AMD at $348.49. And the monster, the Volcano, the CPU, AMD Ryzen Threadripper 1900X 8 core 16 thread 3.8 gigahertz boost base with a 4-point boost coming at $277.58. This is my $1,800 build. The grand total of this is $1,741.58. This is a good build. This is an insane, intense build. So I call it the Volcano. Y'all go ahead on and purchase this, build your rig, get into some great gaming. Go ahead and play your Cyberpunk. Everybody enjoying it. So, enough said. Y'all go ahead and click the like button. Please hit subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching. Happy holidays and peace.